You don't need to be in Canada to get permanent residence. You need the right job, in the right category, at the right time. Here are the easiest jobs in Canada to get PR from anywhere in the world. These jobs are in high demand and are often supported by LMIA or provincial nominations. 1. Caregivers and support workers jobs like home support worker, personal support worker. These roles qualify for direct PR pathways and work permits. 2. Truck drivers. Canada has a serious shortage of long-haul drivers. Many provinces support trucking jobs with LMIA and PR nomination. 3. Construction and trade workers examples. Electricians, welders, carpenters, heavy equipment operators. These are priority jobs under many provincial programs. For hospitality workers jobs like cooks, food service supervisors, bakers. Some provinces allow PR after working 6 to 12 months. 5. Agricultural and farm workers seasonal or full-time farm jobs can lead to PR through Agri-Food Pilot Provincial Nominee Programs. How the process works: get a genuine job offer, employer applies for LMIA if required. You apply for work permit, gain Canadian work experience, apply for PR through PNP or express entry. Important truth: there is no guaranteed job and no agent can promise PR. If someone asks for money upfront for a job run. If you want Canada PR from outside the country, focus on in-demand jobs, not shortcuts. Follow for real Canada immigration guidance.